Hello there, my name is Phil Robison and I'm excited to be delivering a series of workshops for Suvid and his team at Accelerate starting on Tuesday the 8th of September at 6:30 p.m. There are actually going to be 4 consecutive workshops and I think it's a really interesting time when it comes to property at the moment. A lot of people are actually waiting and sitting back thinking, gosh, I don't know if this is a good time to invest. So what we're going to be doing is peeling back the layers, so to speak, and learning around these workshops about investing in the regions. So does regional investing make sense? What's the impact of COVID and the corona situation? What's the role of a buyer's advocate? And another topic which I really enjoy is rent vesting. So not necessarily in that particular order. So what I'd like you to do is certainly click on the link that Suvid will be providing to you, and please bring your questions. We're here to help you. So looking forward to it. The first workshop will be on Tuesday evening, the 8th of September. In the meantime, stay well, stay COVID safe, and certainly looking forward to meeting you then. Bye for now.